Scallop shirt. Sarap. Laptop. By me. What even is a laptop? Well, when you combine words lap plus a desktop computer, you get a baby laptop. It's just a portable computer. That's it. So this is a laptop. This is a laptop. This is also a laptop, but it's broken, so I need a new one. Yeah, ginawa ko lang tong presentation na to para sa video na yun. Now, why? Why do I need a laptop? Bakit ko lang na laptop kung meron naman akong cellphone? Well, kapag sinearch natin, why do I have bubbles? A laptop makes studying easier. This is my enrollment form. I'm a student. Well, August pa, pero still. And one of my subjects is IT application tools in business. So, that's a bonus. Pero, yung pinaka main point ko is, my course is accountancy. Why? Because money. And, meron akong mga friends sa accountancy na sinabi na, a laptop is basically a necessity. Kasi merong mga Excel spreadsheets na sobrang dami and maybe other programs na pwedeng magamit. Pero kapag sa cellphone kasi, mobile, tablet, kahit ano, usually yung features nito medyo limited. So, I'm asking for help fund myself na maybe bigyan niyo ako ng laptop. I mean, hindi naman dapat bagong-bago. Pwede naman second hand. Pwede yung mura lang. Kahit ano, basta laptop. Yeah. So, yeah, meron akong pera actually. Gagamitin ko sana para sa kwarto ko. Here, actually, tinake ko lang yan yesterday. So, very, very recent pa. And I guess I can just use that para sa laptop. What is this? What happened? Para sa laptop, yeah. Honestly, 30K is amazing. I can get a pretty good laptop with 30K. Anything more than that, and I'd probably owe you my life. And maybe 1/3 of my diploma. That's you. That goes to my mama though. Guys, thank you for listening. This is my grades. If you want proof, the end.